Good morning everyone. Welcome to my listing here at Trans Townhouse. This is along E. Rodriguez Sr. in front of Montgomery. Okay. Luma po yung townhouse pero panalo po ito sa location. Paglabas mo pa lang nandiyan na yung SNR. Okay. And then may mga establishment na rin dito. Okay, katabi po ito ng Top Spot. Ito po, Trans-American Townhouse. Okay, ayan po ang National Children's Hospital. St. Luke's, ayan lang din. So, ang dali mag-commute dahil ito na agad, E. Rodriguez Sr. Okay, so if you're interested, please let me know. Okay, tahimik naman yung place, gated siya. Okay. So, ito po ang community. It's an old townhouse. Probably mga 20-year-old sa tingin ko po. Kasi bagong listing ko lang ito. But I will provide you of all the documents that you need for your due diligence. Okay, yung owner po nito will entertain cash and bank loan buyer. Okay. So, ito po yung unit. Unit 25 and 27. Dalawa po silang for sale. Okay. Etong unit na to, Unit 27 and Unit 25 is for sale. Currently, meron po tayong buyer na nag-a-apply ng loan but since wala siyang earnest money, it's first come, first serve. Okay? So, ang entrance po doon, ang exit dito na. Kasi one way lang siya eh. So, tahimik po yung community. Tahimik po yung community. Sa ngayon po, kung naghahanap din po kayo ng passive income, maganda po itong property nito kasi ang lapit niya sa hospitals. Kaya ang dami pong tenant. Okay, mataas po dito mababa ang vacancy rate. Okay? So again, if you're interested, that is my number. Please give me a call. Thank you, bye.